Alright, so here is the room. We are in 203. So as soon as I come in, I have to shut off the TV as usual. Alright, so upon entering, this is your first view of the room. Got a light switch there, which turns on and off the overhead light, and that's the only light switch besides the bathroom in the hotel. I mean, in the room. That goes to the room next door. If we look at the floor map here, this is the floor map of the building. We are the green dot on the right there. And the room price says maximum room rate is $499, so $500 a night for this room. We'll start by going right into the bathroom. Got your towels, trash, toilet paper neatly organized. Hello? Got a hair dryer. This is pretty nice. Pretty nifty here, although it's made of plastic. It looks pretty realistic. As usual, comfort suites signs. They'll always agree to help you if you forget something. Both of these seem to work. There is your toiletries and the toilet itself. Works pretty well. The door here, interestingly, all these doors are made out of metal, and they all have industrial doorknobs. But it is a security safety door, so it'll reopen as soon as you hit that. You lock the door. So I'll close the door for a second here, and there's the shower curtain, the floor towel. Let's see here. How does this work? Can I turn it on? Okay, oh, it's just kind of stuck. Okay, how's this? Seems to work pretty good. Don't want to get that towel wet though. That does keep the floor dry. Alright, let's head back out. Okay, so this switch here, I think this turns on a fan. Yeah. Right up there, very quiet fan. Okay, so when we come in, you got your full view mirror. And this is a couch and a bed combination. Typical of comfort suites. Comfort Inn, either of them. There's your ice bucket. And the lamp. The other two beds back there. Looks like a kind of a sofa thing. Desk. With the lights, phone. The chargers are newer. I'm not sure when they were implemented. But almost all the hotels have it. Coffee looks kind of like a knockoff Keurig kind of thing. There's a chair covered in coats. It moves. Typical modern style office chair. A little counter kind of thing there. That is real granite, by the way. Two queen beds as usual. Pretty much standard. And the newer ones, or the newer comfort suites rooms, they feature a couple things. As usual, the Bible is included in all hotel rooms. So there is the alarm clock. It's got some settings on it there for a few different things. Looks like what the alarm will sound like. It doesn't seem to have a beep alarm. Or maybe it's radio. I don't know. There's the phone. What's neat here, if I can find the switch there. These are pretty new for most hotels, the reading lamps. And they got it on both of these. So yeah, if you want to read, just turn on the reading lamp, I guess. We'll look at next the refrigerator and microwave right in front of the beds. See if I can find the right side to open the fridge. There we go. Seems pretty cold. Yeah, it's kind of cold. Works better than most. A microwave here. I'll run it for like a few. Little rough sounding. I think that's a turntable. That's a nice bell. Here's a closet. Same door handles and industrial. I think this is some kind of fiberboard door. That's not metal. You got your suitcase stand, ironing board, and iron rack. There was a bag on there and some stuff. Somebody's knocking at the door. That's kind of creeping me out. There's your heater there and air conditioner as well. It looks like people are coming back. Hi everybody. It's a good thing I completed the tour right as y'all walked in. So I'm gonna finish up now by looking out the window. Pretty nice view. Hi Rand. The car is somewhere over there. That's right, subscribe to me. Oh, 100-foot water slide, yeah. I have a water slide. I'm pretty sure it's 100 feet stretched out. Definitely looks smaller. So, as for now, that's it.